So if you're going to be doing some kind of Halloween party or rave or some sort of a costume event at night, then these masks are the way to go. These, you can see, they come two in a package. Let's just open them up here. And when you get in there, you're going to find that each one of them has a battery pack. Each one of them has a place to put the batteries and a cover. There's both a red and a blue one. Looks like they have coverings over the eyes so they don't get scratched up. And they've got some foam so you can keep it off of your face. Got to put some batteries in it. Looks like they're going to take a couple of AA batteries. And once you get batteries in there, they light up pretty good. Let's turn the lights off here so you can see it a little better. And now you can tell how well these show up. So it uses the blue rope light, and it has a great kind of smiley face and some outrageous eyes. These are great for any kind of night event, Halloween, or anytime you want to just have some fun with lights at night. You get a blue one and a red one. Hope this helps.